The previous session we have discussed about the exploratory data analysis and the different concepts like sorting, merging, filtering, and different and data transformations. Okay, so let us implement those topics and those concepts in the Python environment. Okay, so first let us start with setting a working diagram. So where we are going to load the data and write the output of data set. So with the help of OS library, we will first set the working directory. Okay, so let us cross check. Yes. Okay, so guys, now first let us deal with the array, and we will try to develop an array in Python. Okay, so guys, as we know that whenever you talk about the numeric data type, so the first library which comes in our mind is NumPy. Okay, so NumPy and the SciPy, which deals with the only the numerical operations like algebra, Laplace, calculus, integration. Okay, so now let me import the NumPy library and store it in the NP object. Okay, so guys, so in the same cell I'm loading the library, and then I'm writing a line of code to develop an array. So here, once I have loaded the library here, so I'm writing the np dot, np is nothing by my NumPy package dot arrange. So guys, arrange will generate a sequence of numbers, and under the parenthesis you need to provide the number of, like, the count of numbers you want to generate. Okay, so let me run this line of code. Okay, so it takes some time to load the package in Python environment. Okay, so we have loaded the library, and arrange np.arrange developed an array, so which is from 0 to 9, because as I told you, the Python indexing always starts from 0. So here I have mentioned that I need to generate the only 10 numbers, so Python starts from 0 and ends with 9. Okay, so this is how we generate an array. Let us see how we generate a list in the Python. So list starts from square brackets, and under the square brackets you can mention character, numeric, factor, string. Okay, so let me run this. So we have developed a list. Okay, so guys, these are the values which are stored in the list. Let me check the type of LIS object. So this is a list. Okay, so guys, this is how we developed list. Okay, so now let us see how we create a matrix. Okay, so guys, we will use the same library NumPy to generate a matrix. So np.matrix, matrix is a function present in the NumPy library which help us to create a matrix. So here I am providing the values to be there in the matrix: 1 2 3, and then semicolon, then followed by 3 4 5. Okay, so let me create the matrix and stored in sample matrix. Okay, so now let us just cross check. Let's see what are the values I have stored in the sample matrix. Okay, so these are the values which is stored in sample matrix. It contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Some other advanced predictive analytics technical topics. Okay, so guys, till then, happy learning.